Okay, so welcome to part two of our DIG1000 Initials project. So far, you should have successfully created your first design um, after watching the first tutorial. Now, I would like to discuss color in a little more depth. Um, I'm going to recommend that you guys use color.adobe.com as a way to select to get your color selections. So, for example, here we have analogous, monochromatic, and a list of other color options. One of the requirements for the project is analogous. So if you click on analogous, you will see several colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, and that was the option. What's cool about Adobe Color is that you can move these little bubbles around and they will give you several different color options. Obviously, if you move towards the center, your hue becomes lighter, and the further you move out, your hue becomes darker. So here's a neat trick that I like to do. I'm going to take a screen capture of these colors. Now, obviously, there are 5 colors. We're only going to use 3, but I'm going to screen capture them. On the Mac, if you hold down the Control, Command, and Shift keys, and then click the number 4, you'll get this nice little crosshair. Now on the PC, you can print screen, but on the Mac, this allows you to get this crosshair where you can actually draw a rectangle across all of the colors. You should hear a camera clicking noise. Once you hear that, you know that your selection has been captured. Now I'm going to go back to my Illustrator document and watch this. Command V, which is paste. Oops, sorry about that. And I'm going to paste that selection right there. So now I have the colors that I need. So using my direct selection tool, the white arrow, I just call it the white arrow because it's easy to remember. Select the section of your design and use the eyedropper tool. See the eyedropper tool right here? I like to use the key command, and you can see the key command is the letter I. So click the letter I and select the color. Go back to your white arrow. Select a different shape. If you want to select multiple shapes, you can do that. Just remember to hold down the Shift key to select multiple items. And I'm going to, once again, eyedropper tool, the letter I key, and click that purple color. My white arrow, again, which is A if you're using key commands. I'm going to select a different shade. I for my eyedropper, and let's select that color. Very nice, very nice. Use my direct selection tool again, and this time I'm going to select my main shape, my abstract design. Select my eyedropper tool again. There it is right there. And yeah, let's select that pink color. There you go. Or that one. These are my analogous colors. And once you're done, you can click on this image that you copied from Adobe Color and delete it. And now we can save that document. Remember, you can do this with any color combination. So if you want triadic colors, go ahead and click triadic. There's some nice color schemes here. Again, Control, Command, Shift. And it really doesn't matter which order you do it in. Command, Control, Shift. As long as all 3 are selected. Once all 3 are selected, hit the number 4 key. That gives you a crosshair. And then click and drag against the colors you hear the camera clicking noise. Go back to your Illustrator document and paste. Select your white arrow. Hold down the Shift key and select multiple sections. Select your eyedropper tool and select the color you would like. White arrow, make your selection. Eyedropper. White arrow, make your selection. Eyedrop it. White arrow, selection, eyedrop. I'm going to now select my main color. I key, shortcut for eyedropper, and select that blue. There you go. Once you're done, click on that image, delete it, and save. All right, hope that helps. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye.